Congratulations on purchasing a STACYC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unpackage the bike and assemble it before the first ride. So a couple tools you're going to need for this job is a pair of clips, 6mm Allen, a 5mm Allen, and a 15. So the first step, we're going to go ahead and remove the bands here and go ahead and pull the bike out. Once you pull the bike out of the box, the first step will be to connect the battery to the charging system. You want to ensure that the solid red light is illuminated, ensuring that it is charging. Typically, the batteries will ship at about 20%, so give it about 45 minutes to an hour to complete its first full charge before riding. Next, you're going to remove all the padding from the bike. Go ahead and rip all the padding off and toss into the trash can. Now that you've got all the padding off, the first step is going to be to remove the headset little cardboard spacer here. So be careful when you remove this bolt, the forks can drop out the bottom, so ensure that the forks are resting securely on the table and that it does not have a chance to slip out. If it does, the spacers and bearings could fall out onto the floor and it could be difficult to reassemble. Go ahead and attach the headset to the fork. I'm going to go ahead and add this 5mm Allen screw to tighten the headset up. You only want to go just to the point where it starts to secure. You don't want to go too tight. Make sure that you can't feel the bearings when you twist the handlebars back and forth. Now you're going to add the front wheel to the bike. You want to ensure that the spoke pattern is replicating the rear tire. So you will see that they are directional and that they are lined up in this video. Next, we're going to slot the axle onto the fork, and then we're going to use this little washer here and locate it into its locating hole. Now we're going to go ahead and add torque to the front wheel. Go ahead and snug those up. Now we're going to line up our handlebars to make sure that the front wheel is riding straight. Go ahead and grab a 6mm Allen and tighten the 2 pinch bolts on the headset. Now double check to ensure that the front wheel is perfectly lined up with the handlebars. Go ahead and inflate the front tire and rear tire to 30 psi. Now once you've checked all these bolts, inflated the tires, check the action of the throttle, ensure that the rear brake is going to slow the rider down, the bike is ready to ride.